Hello dear students. Welcome to Online English School. Today we will talk about the environment of our planet. We will also practice some question words. Do you know what is environment? Let's watch this video.
You must have heard the phrase protect the environment, but do you know what the word environment means? The answer may surprise you. The environment is actually all that is around you, including your family, your home, and even the air you breathe. When you are having fun in the park, your environment are your friends, trees, the sun, and the playground where you play. There are different types of environment. One example is terrestrial environment, where the organisms adapted to life on land live. Or aquatic environment, where the whole range of other plants and animals exist. The environment may be quite small, for example, a vegetable patch, which is an environment for the caterpillar, or large, like a mountain stream, the habitat of a trout. All these types of environment create one big common space, our planet. Therefore, it is so important to protect the environment. When you take care of your environment, you take care of the whole Earth.
Let's do the first task. We need to match pictures and words.
Name each environment.
Ocean, jungle, pond, woodland. Look at the first picture. What kind of environment is this? It's a pond. What about picture number 2? You can see trees, grass, and sand. This is woodland. Look at picture number 3. What do you see? It's a jungle. In the last picture, you can see an ocean. Well done! Let's move to the next activity. Where do these animals live?
Match the organisms and environment types in which they live.
This is dolphin. Where does it live? It lives in the ocean. And what about frogs? Frogs live in ponds. Elephants live in jungles. What about the hedgehog? It lives in woodland. What can we do for the environment?
Would you like to be green just like me? Are you green? I thought that only aliens were green. People who we call green help to protect the environment. Would you like to join us? Okay, I'm surely willing to help protect the environment.
Being green means protecting the environment. Let's watch this video.
All of us can help to improve the condition of the natural environment in our everyday life. We say that a person who tries to do so thinks green. There are many ways to take care of the environment. One of them is energy saving. Try to remember to switch off the lights when you leave the room and always turn electrical equipment off when not in use. Use energy-saving bulbs. It will reduce your energy consumption and electricity bills. In order to reduce water consumption, persuade your parents to install a low-flow shower and toilet. Remember not to let the water run when you are not using it. Sorting the waste in your household will allow you to reuse paper, metal, and plastic through the recycling process. In order to reduce the emissions of vehicle exhaust fumes, you can persuade the family and friends to use your bikes rather than drive on a day trip. To improve the condition of the environment, take part in the tree planting day. This helps to rebuild damaged ecosystems. If you want to learn more about how you can help the environment, look for an environmental organisation. You can do it online or just by asking friends. Learn more about what they do, and if you like it, join them and start to think green.
What do you do to save energy? Let's discuss what's good and what is bad for the environment.
Mark the pictures presenting the situations which you think have a positive impact on the natural environment.
In the first picture, we can see cars. Cars aren't really good for the environment. In the second picture, we can see wind turbines. They are good for the environment. In the third picture, we can see bikes. Bikes are good for the environment. In picture number 4, we can see energy-saving light bulbs. They are really good. In picture number 5, we can see burning fuels, which is bad for the environment. And in the last picture, we can see a man planting trees, which is also a very good thing for the environment. Well done! Do you know natural sources of energy?
Match each picture with a natural energy source.
Solar panels take energy from the sun. In the second picture, energy source is water. And the last picture shows wind turbine, which takes energy from wind. Very good. Now we will talk about sorting wastes.
Sort the waste.
This is paper. This is plastic. This is glass. Cucumber is organic waste. This is glass. This is plastic. Banana is organic waste. And this is paper. Let's start the sorting. The first one is paper. The second one is plastic. What about number 3? It's glass. What about the cucumber? It's organic waste. What about these bottles? Glass. What about these bottles? Plastic. And the banana? Organic waste. And the last one is paper. Do you sort waste at home? Now, let's practice some question words.
Listen and watch.
Let's talk about the weekend. Who was at home yesterday?
I was at home on Saturday and Sunday. My family from Australia were at our house.
Oh, how exciting! Who was at the library yesterday?
I was at the library on Saturday with my little sister Jill.
And now, let me think. Who was at the swimming pool?
Me? I was at the swimming pool.
And who was in the park? You, Sam?
Yes, I was in the park. It was great.
And where were you, Mr. Hill?
I was in my garden.
Listen and match.
I was at home on Saturday and Sunday. My family from Australia were at our house.
Lucy was at home. What about Alex?
Me? I was at the swimming pool.
Alex was at the swimming pool.
I was in my garden.
Mr. Hill was in the garden.
I was at the library on Saturday with my little sister Jill.
Kim was at the library.
Yes, I was in the park. It was great.
Sam was in the park. Let's watch this video and answer some questions.
Were there lots of animals on your holiday in Africa? Oh, yes, there were. It was great. Look at these photos. Oh, that's a pretty parrot. Where was it? It was in the tree. Look. Ooh, is that a green snake? Yes, the snake was in the tree too. Look, the lion's sleeping. Where was the lion? He was under the tree. That's a crocodile. Where was he? Not in the tree. No, he was next to the river. Was he in the river? No, the hippos were in the river. And that's a photo of your mum and dad. Where were they? They were in the truck. Why was your mum afraid? Because the monkeys were on the truck.
Listen and match.
Were there lots of animals on your holiday in Africa? Oh, yes, there were. It was great. Look at these photos. Oh, that's a pretty parrot. Where was it? It was in the tree. Look. Ooh, is that a green snake? Yes, the snake was in the tree too. Look, the lion's sleeping. Where was the lion? He was under the tree. That's a crocodile. Where was he? Not in the tree. No, he was next to the river. Was he in the river? No, the hippos were in the river. And that's a photo of your mum and dad. Where were they? They were in the truck. Why was your mum afraid? Because the monkeys were on the truck.
Where were the hippos? They were in the river. What about mom and dad? They were in the truck. Where was the parrot? The parrot was in the tree. Where were the monkeys? They were on the truck. What about the snake? It was in the tree too. Where was the crocodile? The crocodile was next to the river. Where was the lion? Under the tree. This is the end of lesson number 3. See you next lesson. Bye bye.